Okay guys, we almost installed everything here in the engine bay. Well, right now I want to show you this. This is what we are going to be using in the Tiburon. It's a FuelTech FT450. This is the monitor that is going to be mounted in the steering column between the OEM cluster and the steering wheel. It comes with all the wire harness. We have to fabricate all the harness and everything, and also we're going to be installing the wideband sensor. This tiny thing is going to be mounted in the dash. This is going to tell us the mixture of the fuel and air in the engine. So this is very important to have when you are tuning the car. So I'm gonna be installing everything because I already took all the OEM wire harness that is connected to the engine is eliminated, and we have all the sensors with the plugs. I have to change this one. I put the one that is gonna be used for the FuelTech that has two wires, because the other one has like 3 wires. As same as the injectors, these are 1000 cc injectors. With these plugs are from Ford, on a Ford pickup. We went to the junkyard to get those. That is the boost controller, and yeah, we're gonna be installing the FuelTech. I'm gonna be doing it by myself and Alejandro. So let's hope everything come out good, okay? Let's do it. So I'm gonna be installing this here. I think I can do a hole here so I can bring the negative to here. I'm gonna do a hole in the top so I can pass through here the positive cable. I'll put the positive cable here and the negative cable through here, so I can put it from here to here. I'm going to install the relays. Guys, check this out. It's coming out really good. You can see here is the fuel box. All the positive cables are in. Okay guys, this is what we have done so far. We already connect the battery power. These ones, this battery power. Of course, the battery is disconnected right now. Positive, negative, and this is 12 volt from constant switch. So this whole box, as I told you, this whole box is gonna have power only when you put the switch on, and when you start it's gonna still have the 12 volt. Then I connect all the relays to the main box. This cable has to have 12 volts every time, and these are the negative. So now it's time to start connecting the computer to this system that I already designed. Well guys, we are halfway up. We are already connected. The computer is connected to the relay. This is the main relay. We connected to the computer. It's already connected. The wideband nano is already connected also, and already connect all the relays to the switch power. The only thing left is blue wires. These blue wires are going this way. This is for the coils, injectors, fuel pump, and these wires that are left here, the blue ones are for the injectors. We have 6 output for the injectors, so we are going to be using only 4. 2 are going to be left for spare if we want to upgrade or put another sensor. The white ones are for the sensors. This green one is the 0.5 volts that is going to the sensors. We have to jump this to all the sensors and the TPS sensor. This yellow one is for the wideband. I have to dig in a little bit more because I don't really know where this goes. So well, we are almost done. All the cables are passed through the firewall, and as soon as I finish all this, I'm gonna, with tape wraps and everything, we're gonna be putting this a little bit prettier. It looks good. I like how it looks like right now, but it could be better.
What are you doing?
Making this wire harness.
Is it easy?
This is crazy.
Is it easy?
No. Not easy at all.
What do you have done?
Especially the camshaft and the crankshaft sensor.
What do you have done already?
We already done on the inside of the car. We already change the battery position. You can show them there. We put everything in the back. We changed the battery to here. We did the cables and everything. This is the cable, the positive, and this one is the one that fit the fuse box that I'm gonna show you. So the battery box is there, ready to go. And here we already did the connection to the fuel pump from the computer. It's already done. You can see we took the rear seat and we took everything out, so the car is a little bit lighter. And now you can go there, open the glove box.
It's gonna fall, but
don't worry. Just in case. You can see there is the whole brains of the operation. That there are all the relays for the fuel pump, fuel injection, relays for the coils. Everything is connected. I did a, let me show them. No, don't put that. I put there the top fuel box is directly from the battery, and the bottom fuel box is switch, 12-volt switch. These relays are one for the, this is a main relay. This one is main relay. It doesn't say main, but it's the main relay that power the computer and everything. Plus give the switch current to the front for the sensors. The other one is the fuel pump. These are fuel injection and coils. We passed all the harness from the firewall, and now we are connecting all the sensors, TPS. We changed the location of the fuel pressure sensor. I already pinned down the fan. This blue wire here is going to give the negative signal to the relay, so the computer can activate the two fans at the same time. And here we have the cables that we are doing right now. So I'm connecting the boost controller. This white one is going to the oil pressure sensor that is in the sandwich there, where the oil filter goes. And I'm going to finish all the sensors. This is the the air temperature sensor, TPS, coolant temperature sensor. So it is a pain in the ass, guys, but I think we're gonna be almost done today. Of course, all those cables are not going to be left like that. We have all the covers and there and everything to cover all the harness and put it like it's like factory. It's the computer, and you can see here the wideband nano.
remove before use. Let's see this puppy, if I can get it. Ooh, yeah. Let's see that. Sirskis. I love it.
Guys, as you saw in the video, the car is almost done. FuelTech is installed. We are only working on the few things that we need to address, but stay tuned because in the next video, sounds good, right? So remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one, guys.